What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable app notifications on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So do a swipe up and tap on settings here, then you want to scroll down to where you find notifications. You want to tap on that. Now at the top there, somewhere here, you will find app notification. For me, it's at the top. You want to tap on app notifications, right? And from here, you will find a list of all your applications in your phone. So in order to enable or disable a specific app notification, you want to find that specific app and you want to toggle that on, and that will enable the notification. If you like to disable it, you can simply go ahead and you can disable them. So when you disable it, it looks like this, and when you enable it, it looks like that within the blue. And that's how you go ahead and enable or disable app notification on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. If you're going through the list, guys, and you find that you have a bunch of applications and it's too much, you can use a search at the uppermost right hand side here, the three lines with this magnifying glass. You can tap on that and you can search. So you can simply search for Instagram, for example, or you can simply go ahead and you can type messages, right? So you can basically search whatever you want by using the search there. It will make it easier and faster for you to find that specific application. But that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.